Hey everyone, just thought while I'm having a break from my handstand and this here beauty, thought I'd introduce Aussie knife and gear reviews. For those that don't know me, I'm Rod Hoare. I travel to every knife show in Australia, taking professional photos for the makers, promoting them overseas and locally here in Australia. Write the Australian New Zealand Knife Makers book. Every 2 years, a new one of them comes out. And also contribute to the Report magazine, which is a Sporting Shooters Association Queensland magazine. Goes free to over 80,000 people every month. And now I'm doing reviews for them in the magazine as well. You can only put so much in writing, so I wanted to do the reviews through YouTube. So there's a little bit more detail than you can put into writing. These reviews will be on custom artisan handmade knives and factory knives, but quality factory knives. Be standardised tests. We'll be testing everything from folders to hunters to machetes to kitchen knives. We all cook. We all camping knives. Everything. Swags, torches. Yeah. We want you to let us know what you want reviewed, and we also need your input as to what you reckon the videos are like once you've seen a few of them done. And as we learn, certainly not YouTube professionals, so we'll see how we go. But one thing we're not going to be doing is going, oh, look at this knife, this is a beautiful knife, oh yes, oh that's good. Nah, interesting stuff, field use, and testing straight up. So stick with us, subscribe to the channel, and like I say, let us know what you want reviewed and mistakes we're making and tips and hints, and we'll see how we go. But we look forward to you watching us and interacting as we go. Another thing we'll do is when we go to the shows, the knife shows, we'll be doing some videos there as well that we'll be putting on the channel. So going around to each maker and talking to them, having a look at what they got on their tables. So if you can't get to a knife show, have a look on the channel and you'll see what's going on. All right, guys, I appreciate it, and we'll see you at the next one.